Balen, kumusta kayo po? My name is Louie. Welcome to Warren, Pampanga. For today's vlog, nandito tayo ngayon sa SM City, Clark. And we were invited by Phone Range. And ito yung Samsung concept store nila. We're gonna witness yung launch ng Samsung Galaxy Z Flip 4 at saka Fold 4. So, what is that? Ako first time ko talaga itong mahawakan. If you wanna know more about it, samahan nyo ako. Let's go! Now, what I like about it is yun nga, parang run and gun for content creators. Tatayo mo na lang siyang ganun. Yan, no? Yun, no? Ang galing dun. Flip. Yung 180 degrees niya. So, lumilitaw naman talaga yung ano, full screen. Now, when you
Pag-flex siya. Pag-flex mo siya.
So, tama nga naman, no?
Kaya siya ng upper view.
Para siyang, ano?
Yes, camcorder.
Camcorder. I'm starting to like it. Grabe.
Na hina-highlight po kasi namin dito is yung FlexCam experience. Anywhere, pwede siya mag-selfie using our Flip 4. Kasi ang maganda sa kanya, kahit saan mo siya ilagay, don't need a selfie stick.
Yes.
Diba? Makakapag-take ka ng pictures, hands-free. Let's say tayo, mag-selfie tayo, sir. You just need to ano lang. Yan. Makakapag-take na tayo ng time, sir. Ganun lang siya kadali.
Okay.
In terms of video, sir, of course, we have full HD na ano, then meron tayong 60 frames per second. Dahil kasi nga naka-flip na siya, ayan, pwede ka na mag-take ng mga videos na parang kang naka-camcorder.
Yeah.
Sobrang less hassle. I like yung nakaganyan.
Yes.
So, madali siyang hawakan. Sa table yung hands mo. Ito naman po, purpose nito, this is really good in terms of multitasking since we have a larger screen.
Okay.
And for example, I want to launch like 2 applications, 3 applications na sabay-sabay. I just need to drag and drop lang.
Ooh.
Open na 5 applications, like sabay-sabay. Pwede ako
How many?
5 applications.
5?
Yes. You can,
One.
ano na lang.
So parang naka-tile.
Yes po. Para siyang kaya niya i-thumbnail. Yan. Pop-up view natin siya.
Open
Tapos meron pa siyang isa. Then pwede ka pa mag-open like for example, yan.
For me, no, since ano, I'm into yan, vlogging, sa akin parang appealing yun, no?
Very appealing, sir. Tsaka sobrang magagamit mo siya anywhere, hands-free. Hindi ka mahahassle. Kumbaga kahit saan mo siya. Kumbaga every moment makaka-capture.
Yes.
So, ayun sir, na-convince na ba kita?
Na-convince mo ako, super.
Avail now our Samsung Galaxy Fold 4.
I'm actually thinking.
Yes, this is really good since you're vlogging.
Yes.
Launching offer natin kasi
Yes.
sir, September 2 hanggang katapusan, big discount sa mga mag-a-avail na customer natin. Pwede silang magkaroon ng yung free standing cover with S Pen. This is 4,899. Then for Flip 4 naman, we have clear slim cover.
Okay.
Worth 1,199, sir. May discount pa tayong 50% off sa mga mag-walk-in nating customer
Yun.
sa ating Samsung Care Plus. We will be accepting
Walk-ins na.
walk-ins customer na gusto na mag-avail, kumbaga right away.
But don't worry guys, so still no, for the entire September of 2022, meron pa rin tayong mga freebies, discounts if you avail yung mga
In the
September
duration,
promo.
September 2 to 30 guys, pwede kayo mag-walk-in Samsung SM Clark.
Samsung SM Clark.
Yes, SM Clark.
Alright, thank you ma'am.
Thank you so